Hello student, today we start a new topic in chapter number 6 contract of a professional practice and evaluation PPV subject. In this contract uh, topic is a condition of contract. So in this condition of contract we discuss about total different 22 types different 22 to 23 types condition of contract. So let's we start with first condition of contract. So here first condition of contract is a security deposit. So what is security deposit? So on the acceptance of the tender, the contractor has to deposit 10% of the tender amount as a security money with the department, which is inclusive of earnest money already deposited, and this amount is kept as a check so that the contractor fulfill the terms and condition of the contract and carry out the work satisfactorily according to given specification, and maintain progress of the work and complete the work within in a time limit. So these are the first condition. Now second condition of the contract is a compensation for delay. So here all the work are not done as per the uh, all the work are not done as per the given time. So some of the work is delay, or some of the work is completed before time limit. So the time allow for a completion of the work in essence of the contract on the part of contractor when the work allotted to contract remain uncommented, or there is delay in a completion of the work, or a progress of the work is not proportionate to the time escape, and contractor shall pay the compensation an amount of equal to 1% of the such amount of uh, a superintending engineer may decide for each day of a delay, subject to maximum 10% of the tender amount of the whole work. So here compensation is amount shall be start from the 1% to 10%, and if your work is delay, so this type of the compensation delay amount is given to company. Now third is a extension of extension in a time limit. So in some of the cases, these clauses is intended to indicate the circumstances under which an extension of the time limit may be granted to contractor by the owner. So the progress of the work is delayed by the owner, or by engineer, or by some of the reason, like due to earthquake, due to monsoon, due to strike, so which are beyond the control of the contractor. So these in such a cases engineer is justified for a extension of the time, and the time of a completion shall be suitable extend as decided by the engineer, and the contractor shall give immediate report of such a hindrance to the engineer in charge. He can then apply for extension of a time in a writing to the engineer within 7 days of within 7 day of the date of completion, and the engineer in charge may grant such extension of a time on a reasonable ground. So here fourth condition of the contract is a completion of certificate. Completion certificate. So on a completion of the work, including the removing of a surplus material or any other material in a connection with the work, the contractor shall be furnished with a complete completion certificate by the engineer in charge, and the date of completion shall be noted in the measurement book according to the date of certificate in a certified in a certificate. Now fifth condition of the contract is a payment on a certificate. Here the in a payment of the certificate, the contractor shall be entitled to receive monthly payment on a bill submitted by him to cost more than 5,000 and duly approved and passed by the engineer in charge, whose certificate of a sum shall be final or conclusive, but all such intermediate payments shall be regarded as advance against the final payment, and not as a payment for a work actually done. And payment certificate is given by the owner to contractor. Now, sixth type of the condition of the contract is work at a night and a holiday. So no work shall be done at a night, on a Sunday or any another holiday without written permission of the engineer in charge. So here holiday and night works are avoided by the contractor. Now seventh condition of contract is inferior material. So these clauses is provided to reject the materials and workmanship which are not conforming with the specification of the work. So here in a specification, which type of the material is already given in a specification. If contractor not use such type of the material, so this type of the material is rejected by the owner, and all the material and workmanship which in the opinion of the engineer in charge are not conforming to provision made in a specification of the work shall be rejected. So here this one is a most important point. And all rejected materials shall be suitably marked on the site and shall be removed to suitable distance at once by the contractor on a demand from the engineer, and all workmanship shall be rejected, repaired and replaced by the contractor of a satisfaction of the engineer in charge. Now eighth type of the condition of contract is departmental material. Now here, when the departmental material are issued to a contractor from time to time for the purpose of the contract only at a fixed issue rate as provided in a tender, the value of the full quantity of the material supply may be deducted from the sums, and then due to contractor under the contract or from the security deposit. So here departmental material is one condition of the contract. And ninth one is extra item and its payment. So a contractor shall carry out to execution of the item which are not covered under this contract after obtaining the written order from the engineer in charge, and the execution of such item shall not be any way violate the term and condition of the original contract, and the engineer in charge shall decide and fix the rate of the extra item by comparing the studying rate of a suitable item mentioned in a contractor tender or by actual process of rate analysis. And no extension of a time limit shall be granted due to execution of the extra item unless the same is recommended by the engineer in charge. Now 10th type of the condition of contract is measurement of payment to the contractor. Now the measurement of all the items shall the measurement of all the item under this contract shall be taken by the engineer in charge or his representative as per a standard practice in accordance with the standard mode of measurement of building works, and the contractor shall submit the bill on a printed form on or before 20th of each month of week executed in a previous month, and the charges to be made in the bill shall await to entered at the rate of specified in a tender. If the contractor has to submit a bill for a payment as above, the engineer in charge shall not later than first of each month and issue a certificate for the payment to the contractor, and the amount of payable shall be 90% of the sum obtained by the applying tender rates to a actually measured quantity of a approved work completed by the contractor during the preceding month. Now, 11th type of the condition of contract is the execution of work in accordance with a drawing and specification. So, all the work shall be carried out in accordance with the design, drawing, specification, and all the material in every respect shall be in a strict accordance with the specification. Now, the contractor shall be entitled to have access for the purpose of a inspection during the office hour of all such a drawing and specification. Now, 12th type of the condition of contract is addition and alteration. So the engineer in charge reserves the right to make any change in omission from any addition or alternation for the original design, drawing and specification and instruction as are necessary in opinion of the engineer in charge during the process of the work, and which may be given him to written and signed by the engineer in charge. And such a charge, omission and substitution shall be deemed to have a form as work included in a original tender, and the contractor shall be bound to carry out the work, and the time of completion shall be extended properly by the engineer in charge due to above reason, because here in a addition material or a addition thing is add in a condition of contract. Now next is the 13th type of the condition contract is subletting. So in order to guard against the behavior of the subcontract appointed by the main contractor, these clauses is included in the condition of contract. So the clauses provide two important points. First is a written permission to appoint subcontractor to be obtained from the owner, and second important point is that main contractor to be considered responsible for the work as a whole. So in a subletting, main contractor appoint a subcontract. It's if the work is large and one contractor is not completed such type of the work, so here subcontractor is compulsory required, so it's included in a subletting. Now 14th type of the condition of contract is a breach of contract. So in case of the contract failed to carry out the work within the contractual obligation, the owner must have to right to claim the damage for breach of contract, and however such a damage will not always be an adequate remedy, and a provision must be made in order to get a work completed. And in a case of the abandonment of the work owing to the liquidation and serious illness or death of the contractor or any other causes, the owner shall have to power to adopt any two courses as he may deem best suited to his interest. And here 2 point is given. So first is to rescind the contract and to take over the completion of the work and agent of the contractor. Now 15th is a condition of contract is a labor law. So it is agreed by the contractor that he shall have to respect the provisions of all the labor's law which are in a force from time to time, and the contractor shall be responsible for the all claims and compensation so occurring under this provision of such a labor laws. Now 16th condition of contract is a settlement of account or final payments. So after acceptance of the work under this contract, the engineer in charge shall prepare the final estimate of the work within the 1 month from the date of such acceptance of the contract, and issue a certificate for the final payment to the contractor. And no such a certificate shall be given by the engineer in charge, nor shall the work be considered to be completed until the contractor shall have remove all his rubbish, tools, plants, scaffolding and surplus material from the site. Now 17th type of the condition of contract is public travel. So contractor shall obtain the written consent of an engineer in charge in case of the public traffic is to be obstructed for a proper execution of the work under the contract. And in all such cases, the contractor shall put up all suitable places, plain and worded properly worded sign like a signboard and red lamps at a night to indicate the obstruction and inform the public regarding the shortest and easiest route of the traffic. Now 18th type of the condition of the contract is a clerk of works. So when the construction project is large, it becomes necessary to make a provision of a clerk of a work who is qualified person approved by the engineer or architect and who is appointed and paid by owner, and the clerk of work inspect and supervise the work on behalf of the architect, and the contract is supposed to give him a full cooperation and assistant to perform his duty well. Now 19th type of the condition of contract is a compensation in case of the bad work. So if any work is found to have been executed by the contractor with unsound, imperfect or unskillful workmanship or with bad material, or it is not in accordance with the contract, the contractor shall make a good the defects in the work at his own expenses and remove the material or articles complained in a writing by the engineer in charge. And if contractor fails to do within the period of specified by the engineer in charge, contractor shall be liable to pay compensation in the form the percentage like a maximum 10% amount of the estimate. Now next is the 20th type of the condition of contract is the maintenance period. So the contractor shall be liable for any damage done or defect notice within the prescribed maintenance period of the 3 months, and the work shall as soon as practicable after the expiration of a maintenance period hand over to engineer in charge in a good and perfect condition. Now if any damage, defect, imperfection become seen it from agreed date of commencement until the end of the maintenance period, the contractor shall make a good for same at his own expenses, or it is or in a default the engineer in charge shall be entitled to carry out such a work by other workmen and deduct the expenses from any sums that be due to contractor from his own security deposit. Now 21 type of the condition of contract is a supervision by a higher officer. So all the work under the contractor work under the contract shall be executed under the direction and subject to approval in all respect of the engineer in charge or superintending engineer of the circle for a time being who shall be entitled to direct at what point and in what manner the work are to be commenced and the carry out. Now next is suspension of the work. So it's a 22 type of the condition of contract. So if at any time the engineer in charge shall for any reason whatsoever the required that whole or any part of the work to be suspended for any period, he shall give notice in a written ordering such a suspension to the work contractor, who shall thereupon be suspended or stop the work totally or partially as the case may be. So here suspension of the work is a important point in a condition of contract, and last condition of contract is arbitration. So arbitration is one type of the solving the problem or a dispute between the two parties, or a contractor or a owner. So here, if any work is not done as per the standardized specification or given specification, and if dispute between the two parties are done, so arbitration is compulsory required to solve this dispute between the two parties. So this type of the arbitration is required in a large project, because in a large projects dispute is always done between the two parties due to some of the reason. So here we complete our topic condition of contract, and also we complete our chapter number 6, contract. Thank you.